Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you some shortcuts in Gmail. Gmail is a very common mail and it is made by Google as usual. And you don't need anything special to sign up for it. Anyone can have it. As a free mail, it has some hidden tricks that I think people can find it useful. So, here are my 5 tips for you. I hope it helps. Giving signature after mail is a professional way of sending mail to someone. If you want to add a signature, just go to signature at the end of the mailbox, hit manage signature, create new signature, name it, and fill the description. I previously saved the description for myself. You can do it for yours. If you are done, then calm down and click Save Changes. Now go to Insert Signature and you will find what you just saved as your signature. Click it, there you go. You can customize multiple signatures based on your need. If you are out of your town or go on a vacation, you can generate or set an automated mail. To do that, go to Manage Signature in the same way. In the last part, you will see the vacation responder. Put the subject and description, set start and end date. And now, whoever sends you mail will get an automated reply which you just set. There is your mail. You can turn off the vacation respond by selecting vacation respond off. You no longer have to set another Chrome tab or login from incognito mode. And in the upper section right after inbox, click accounts and import. There you see option send email, which is your current email, and right below add any of your secondary mail. Fun fact, you can add as many mails as you want. It will save you a lot of time. Here you can see your second mail. Now you have two mail options. It is very important feature from Google. If you want to send mail and don't want people to forward it or download any files from it, then you can set up a confidential mode. Just go to the lock sign before signature, click it, choose no SMS passcode option because SMS passcode is not available in Bangladesh. Based on your country or location it might be available. For now I'm choosing no SMS passcode option. Now attach any file or message. Now whoever receives will not be able to forward mail to other person as well as download it like they can with other mails. Recognize that you can download other mails and there is a forward option as well. Like Outlook, you can label your email. It's like sorting mails based on who sent it to you or where you want to put certain emails. For example, go to label and create as I have created a new label, Sime Office. Now if you want to move mail under Sime Office folder, you can do it, or if you want to tag mails to Sime Office, you can do that too. For better finding, color the label SIME Office so it looks pleasant and takes less time to locate it.
Be back again. You make me feel so crazy. Still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you.
As an example, I have tagged all my Eastern Bank mails under EBL so that it is easy for me to find out. Now, if I click and see inside, you see the tag EBL.